Welcome back to another tutorial of Golang for Absolute Beginner course. This is actually not a tutorial but a comparison between functions and a method, right? So as you see in the previous tutorial, we discussed about functions and methods. So what is the actual between them, right? What is the actual difference between them? So we will discuss the difference between function and method in this tutorial, right? So let's discuss these differences using syntax. So in Go, a function syntax is something like that. First we create a function by using func keyword. By using func keyword, then we write function name, right? And then within the bracket we pass parameter list and then return type, and within the block we write our code, right? This is the whole structure of a function. We first write function name, pass parameters, return type, and within the block we write our code. On the other hand, we have method. For methods, we first write func keyword, we pass receiver name, receiver type, right? We then add method name and parameter list and return type. So for a method, it is compulsory to have a receiver name, receiver type, method name, parameter list. Return type is optional, right? Return type is optional, Golang, but it is a good practice to add a return type, right? So for a method, we need to add receiver name, receiver type. By using that receiver type, we can actually access our method, and we then pass parameter list within that method, so that it will return the code which we have written within the block, right? So I hope you understand the difference between function and method in Go programming language. I tried my best to keep it simple as possible, because most of the few beginners actually stuck between function and method, so in this Go programming language especially. So I tried my best to keep it simple. I tried to actually explain these both concepts using syntax, which is a good way to do, right? So keep practicing, you will learn more stuff related to functions, methods. Maybe try to learn new stuff, also try to research by yourself, right? So I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. So before jumping to our next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.